In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or show notes in PowerPoint. Let's start by opening your presentation. Launch Microsoft PowerPoint, then open the file you want to work with. Once your slides are on the screen in normal view, you're ready to reveal the notes area where you can add reminders, talking points, or extra context for your talk. To show your notes, look at the bottom of the PowerPoint window for the Notes button. Click it, and a Notes pane will appear beneath the current slide. This section is your private workspace for speaker notes that won't appear on the slide itself. You can resize the notes area by dragging the top edge of the pane up or down, which is helpful if you want more room to read or type. Click inside the notes pane and start typing. Keep each note concise but specific enough to cue your key points. You can scroll within the pane if your notes are longer, and basic formatting is available to make important lines easier to spot at a glance. If you're just reviewing, you can read from here without making any changes. If you want to hide the notes in normal view, simply click the Notes button again to collapse the pane. You can also drag the top edge of the notes pane downward until it disappears. This doesn't delete your notes, it just hides them so you can focus on slide layout without distraction. When it's time to present and you want to see your notes privately, turn on Presenter View. Go to the Slideshow tab at the top and check Use Presenter View. Then start your slideshow by pressing F5 or by choosing from Beginning. On your screen, you'll see the current slide, a preview of the next slide, and your speaker notes. Your audience will only see the full screen slideshow, not your notes or the controls. This is ideal when you're connected to a projector or a second monitor. If you need to hide notes during a presentation, you have two options. First, you can turn off Presenter View by going back to the Slideshow tab and unchecking Use Presenter View. That way, the slideshow fills your screen without notes. Second, if you're on a video call or sharing your screen, share only the slideshow window instead of your entire screen. Sharing the slideshow window keeps your notes and any other apps private. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.